Okay, guys, welcome to the Friday session where we go over what's happened in the week, why, and also the news as well. So, at the beginning of the week, I did say on the Monday session. So, Monday session, we go over, no, sorry, Sunday session. Sunday session, we go over what exactly is going to happen in the week, gives us a little bit of a roadmap of what's going to happen during the week. So let's just go over that again. So Monday, we knew that the market wasn't really going to move Monday, right? Fed Barkin speech and Fed Williams speech, not really going to move that much. Tuesday, again, basically a nothingness day as well. But we said Wednesday, more than likely, we are going to see some movement with Fed Jefferson's speech, Fed Collins' speech, and Fed Cook's speech. And it's going to ramp up towards the end of the week. So yesterday, I was expecting a little bit more with the jobless claims and Fed daily speech. And obviously today has only the potential, not guaranteed, but the potential to continue moving or have the biggest move of the week. Now, if we just take it to US 100, this week hasn't had that much of a range, has it? So last week had a range of 600 pips. The week before had a range of 650 pips. This week, so far, 230. No, sorry, only 200 pips. So it's not really done much. Overall, it's bullish. Last week we had this move to the downside, and then obviously closed bullish at this key level here. I was thinking that we was going to move down and then continue moving up, obviously to create kind of a pin bar, but we just seem to have just moved to the upside. Today has the potential to move somewhat to the upside again. We are at this key level here, so if we break that, more than likely going to reach the 18356 level. If we take it to the daily now, so on the daily, what have we seen? I mean, honestly, not really that much. If we just take a look at all these dailies here, a lot more range than what we've had this past week. So, yeah, not really anything too crazy. Monday actually was the biggest day. Monday had a range of, again, 100 pips. Ever since then, we've literally been struggling to get, 170, not really doing much. A good day on US 100 is around 400 to 500 pips. So this, literally nothing. We stayed in between these two levels, not really done much. The bias is overall bullish. So today we have tried twice to get longs in here. Monday was long, Tuesday break even, and then yesterday break even as well. So yeah, it looks as though we are about to break this key level here at 18130. It's not a round level, but it's definitely a key level since we've tried to break twice and it hasn't really done it. So today, guys, I do believe that we are going to go long. I do believe that we are going to have a decent day today. Again, if it's a really good day, 400 pips, I only expect around 200 to 300 here. So, yeah, realistically, 200, we are going to go to the probably 18300 level. 18300 is the level that I'm going to be looking for. Stop loss just below the open here. And that is potentially the trade that we're going to get today to the upside. Obviously, the overall bias is bullish. We are in a very nice uptrend on the 1 hour since creating this double bottom here. Higher highs and higher lows so far. So only bullish momentum here. Let's take a look at US 30. US 30 has moved a lot better than US 100 this week. We've seen 2 days of constant moving to the upside. I said that that could work out. I didn't trade that though. So again, weekly, this week has had a lot more volume than US 100. So this is actually the biggest week we've seen in quite a while over the past 3 weeks. Very bullish. Over 700 pips to the upside. What do we expect today? Shouldn't be a miracle. Shouldn't be, a shock that I'm going to say bullish. Again, it has to be, though. The only rule with today is that it has to be after the Michigan consumer sentiment. If we do get a bullish engulfing candle before the Michigan consumer sentiment, and then you can place a trade because sometimes it does continue moving up, but more than likely, it's not going to happen. So if we do get a bullish engulfing at 2 p.m., you can place a trade. Just use less risk because it is a little bit risky doing that. But Michigan consumer is at 1500. So more than likely, we are going to get some volume today. US 500. Let's take a look at this. The S&P 500. So this is bullish again. So yesterday actually did move. So we've actually broke out of this consolidation. US 30, US 500 are moving to the upside. Therefore, US 100 hopefully will move to the upside. Usually US 100 does have the biggest range. It's just one of those weeks where unfortunately it hasn't. But yeah, literally simple, super, super simple. Longs more than likely going to tap a level of liquidity here, tapping the Asia highs, the Asia lows, grabbing some liquidity, and then moving to the upside when we actually have news come out. So that's what I expect on US 500, US 30, and US 100 as well. So let's take a look at gold. Gold is the last one. If you want to go for anything else, let me know. So gold has seen a massive move to the upside yesterday, huge move. Go to the weekly. We'll always go to the weekly higher time frame. Very good move this week. So overall, buyers are in control, obviously, if we take a look at FX Blue. So FX Blue here, let's take a look at the short term. Short term gold's a positive 5.6, USD minus 1.4, medium positive 6, long term positive 6. So only moves to the upside here. Super, super bullish. Daily. Now, yesterday was the first big day. All week we've ranged. We haven't really done much. The past couple of weeks hasn't really done much. Well, last week and this week so far, until yesterday, it didn't really do much. This is the kind of price action we like on gold. Now, what do I expect? Well, we've already kind of moved. Any little move to the downside, then when Michigan comes out, move to the upside. That's what I'll be looking for here. So literally it has already moved. Anything that taps this level or just below the 2360 level, I'll be looking for a move to the upside. Where's TP going to be? Well, we can kind of see that we can recycle this level. Got a very nice level there. Where's that level? 2400. That's the level that you want to go to. So again, longs today. Yesterday was super bullish. More than likely today is going to be bullish as well. 2400 is the level that we're looking for. Potentially a decent a decent trade today, to be honest, on gold, and also US 100, US 30, everything else. And iPhone wants me to check Bitcoin. So yeah, let's check Bitcoin. Let's have a look at this bad boy. So we'll go to the weekly on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin this week has kind of done what I expected. So last week was a pin bar. If we just literally just zoom out here, what does Bitcoin look like? It looks bullish, right? I want to get rid of this. So, looks bullish, right? We've got yeah, looks bullish. So basically the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Look at all these pin bars. Buyers keep on coming in at the 60,000 level. Look. Boom, buys, 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 buys. Last week was a pin bar. I honestly expected this week to go more bullish, but it seems as though it's retested a key level. It looks as though we have a head and shoulders pattern, which obviously those were what the other zones were. So we have left shoulder, head, grabbed some liquidity, and now the right shoulder. I do expect Bitcoin to continue moving to the upside. Again, we have broken the downtrend, push, exhaustion, continue move to the upside, potentially moving to the upside. Bitcoin's a positive 3.1 long term. Medium term, it is still stronger than the USD. Short term, it's a little bit weaker. So short term moves to the downside, long term moves to the upside potentially. Yeah, it does look bullish. We've seen lots of buy pressure there. Potentially tapping the, can't really say on the 1 hour. Probably going to tap this level here, the 62,400 level, and then continue moving up. So, I mean, I don't really day trade this. I only really, swing trade it. So if it was me, potentially, to be fair, if I was swing trading, I'd have probably been in yesterday. But on the weekly, looks bullish. I will only buy it if it touches or goes above the 66,000 level in terms of spot buying. In terms of day trading, probably tap this level here. Again, and then move to the upside. Targeting 65,500. That's what I would say. Because it looks as though we are creating an uptrend. If we just take a little look at here, this is the kind of pattern that you want to be looking for now. Because we've seen the double bottom, the break of the downtrend. Now we're kind of in this era. You see? Broken the downtrend, broken the higher time frame downtrend, lower time frame downtrend. Now it's moving to the upside. So that's it, guys. That's it for the Friday session. Let's see if we can get a decent trade today. iPhone EJ Hyperdrive. There was more on, but thank you guys for being here. And this will be uploaded. So thank you guys. Have a great weekend. And I shall see you at 2:30. Take care. Bye-bye.